Miss Harrison and I were able to do this lab together because we had attended a SRP semi-high-tech U Teacher Academy together, 2-day seminar, where we were exploring different options of STEM topics. And this was a lab that we had done at this particular workshop. And as we worked on it, we realized that it gave us a perfect opportunity to collaborate together.
I was a little uneasy about the lab that Sandy and I did. I always worry if the kids will get what they need out of activity, especially when there is an expense or it eats up a lot of class time. Anyway, after my first hour, I was a little bummed out that we didn't get a chance to talk about what had happened during the lab or why things happened the way they did. So I had the kids answer a question or two of mine on my class blog through my website. This is the first time that I've had my kids blog, so I tried to start out easy. I had the kids describe what we did and why it happened like that, and if they had any questions. So at the end of the hour, one of my students asked me, what should I do, since he was absent the day before? I told him to read the posts and see if he can get an idea for what had happened the day before. Once it seemed like the kids were done making their comments and reading the other comments, I asked them as a whole group to explain what had happened so those who were absent will know. One of my absent students raises his hand, and I almost dismissed it. I said, Aaron, you weren't there. He interrupts me and he says that he had read the other posts, so I asked him to explain, and he nailed it. The other students had described the lab well enough in their post for him to know exactly what had happened. He even made significant contributions to the class discussion.